So I guess Mommy does a lot of things with her feet. And Mina is learning the ways. These are little tap lights that Pete got for Mina for her birthday and colored. So they have shapes on them, but they're hard to push. So put it on the floor, Mina. Put it on the floor. How do you turn it on? How do you turn it on? Oh, no, you don't know. Well, she was doing it with her feet. Here, look. I'll try to show her. Mina, look. On, off, on, off. Yeah. They pick up quick, don't they? Oh, just bring it to Mommy. That's how it turns on. Good job. Thank you. See, it's a cute sunshine. Put it down and try one more time. Okay, we're done. Yeah. Bye.